Welcome to my video of 3D Printshow New York 2015. To start out with, there were the well-known companies such as Ultimaker and Printerbot. It was good to see Ultimaker, as I recently got an Ultimaker Original Plus. As I said, Printerbot was there, and I met Brooke Drum, which was pretty awesome. Aside from the printers themselves, there were the prints. Many of the coolest were made by more industrial printers, such as the ones used by Shapeways. There was also the M-Core Iris printer, which uses paper to build up an object. There was also the Big Rep, which is probably the biggest Cartesian printer in the entire world. It was pretty crazy to see objects that I could fit into printed at 200 microns. Fuel 3D was also there, showing off their scanners, and a pretty creepy display of people's faces. DWS Lab was showing off a DLP SLA printer called the XFab at the show. What I found most interesting is the amount of different materials the XFab can use. Other printers, including the D Green from D3D, the Z-Morph 2.0 with its various tool heads, seriously, this thing can extrude cake. There was also the Be the First printer. And the Speed Demon, that is the D3D printer, which can reach speeds up to 400 millimeters per second. There was also a surprising amount of filament makers at the show. Anyways, 3D Print Show this year was great, and if you live in Pasadena, Berlin, Dubai, or wherever else 3D Print Show is hosted, I highly recommend you go check it out. Trust me. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment telling me what you thought of it, and I hope to see you in the next video.